Hey hackers, welcome to the Commit. I'm Richard. I'm here in New York tonight at the IBM DataFirst launch event. I'm going to meet the teams that built projects for the Apache Spark Makers Build Hackathon. There's some incredible projects came out of this. Let's go meet the teams.
Yeah, we ran an Apache Spark Maker Build contest, and that was really about understanding from all the development community out there what they can do in and around Spark, especially the winner, Sense AG. If you saw what they were doing with Spark in agricultural farming and using that to determine how to optimize where they have water placement, etc., it was absolutely phenomenal and something I really didn't think that would be submitted as one of the contenders in terms of how we're leveraging Spark in the community.
So the project is called iWisps, and basically it's a local business recommender service, and the technologies I used is Spark and Docker. It's building on the Yelp dataset.
So what got you excited about this idea and what got you excited to take part in this hackathon?
Mainly it's the technologies involved.
So my project is basically addresses a very important need today that is emerging with the growing genomics field. So there is actually a need to process genomics data in a high performance and with low cost to help medical centers, to help research institutions analyze their data in a faster, more cost-efficient way.
Yeah, so Balio really came out of a pain point that I had, which is, okay, I have all these shares of this one stock. I know that's a horrible portfolio, so I just wanted a system that recommended additional stocks for me that made a better portfolio.
We use a genetic algorithm, so we leverage Apache Spark to do that. So basically what we're doing is cranking through millions of portfolios and saying, okay, of all these 1 million portfolios, this individual portfolio looks the best.
So you flew all the way from Australia to come here tonight?
Yeah, we did, on Sunday, so 2 days ago.
That's incredible. So I guess this feels like a really worthwhile trip. You just took first place.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, well worth it. All right, so the main thing is we put sensors in the ground on a farm, and we're using Apache Spark to deliver real-time intelligence to farmers. So we can look at things like temperature or humidity or soil moisture, and then a farmer can drive around in a tractor with his iPad and see that in real time. I've done a bit of work on the farmers before. You saw before I've done a bit of drone surveying, and Mike's a bit of a data guy, so we got talking one day and decided there's so much more you could do with data on a farm, so let's look at this further, and came up with the idea.
So talk to me about some of the potential benefits of your solution for a farmer.
Yeah, so there's really two benefits. Either they reduce their water consumption, and that's a good thing for any country because water is scarce. Really, it's about using water more efficiently, and that can result in really big financial gains.
Is this being tested on the ground? Is it actually up and running at any farms at the moment?
Yeah, so we're running this in a pilot customer at the moment. We've been running those 3 sensors for about almost 100 days, and they've performed very well. So we're actually really happy. We built them ourselves. We built, the whole thing ourselves. It feels kind of nice to sort of be recognised.
Yeah, definitely. So this seems to me like this is not kind of one of those kind of hackathon projects that you're never going to work on again. This is a thing for you guys now, right?
It's definitely more so now. I mean, as you can see with the T-shirt, we've decided it's probably a good idea to pursue this commercially, and this definitely helps validate that.
Yeah, definitely. So what was it that really kind of the technology stack of like using Spark, what did it really bring to the table for you?
So I'm a massive Spark fan. I was looking for a use case for streaming at the time, just to learn. But I've said before, like I can't think of another platform that offers the scalability that Spark does. The capabilities are very good in a clean API. That's why we chose Spark. I can scale that thing as much as I want.
When we talked about this event and we saw the innovation that actually stirred and happened from it, we need to run a few more of these because it really fosters that innovation and collaboration around the community to imagine and really make real the art of that possibility.